LG Tone-Free T90 Quick Guide. Turn on the Bluetooth function of your smartphone or a device you want to connect. Open the cover of the charging case with the earbuds docked. The blue battery status indicator on the front blinks. If the indicator does not blink, touch and hold the side of the left or right earbud for 3 to 5 seconds. In the case of an Android phone, when a fast pair pop-up appears on the screen, touch the pop-up to connect to the phone. In the case of an iPhone, if the pop-up does not appear, select Tone T90Q in the list of available devices to connect under the Bluetooth settings menu. If Tone T90Q is not listed, turn off the Bluetooth function and turn it back on. Check the left and right marks on the earbuds and wear them. Choose one of the 3 ear gels that best fit your ear size. Tap the left or right earbud once in the play music mode to play the music. Touch the earbud once again to pause the music. Tap the left earbud twice to decrease the volume. Tap the right earbud twice to increase the volume. Tap the left or right earbud 3 times to play the next song. Tap the left or right earbud once to answer a call.
Hello.
Touch and hold the earbud to decline a call. Tap the left or right earbud twice to hang up a call.
Bye.
Touch and hold the left or right earbud to switch between the ambient sound listening mode and the active noise cancellation mode. The ambient sound listening mode enables you to hear ambient sound so that you can be aware of your surroundings and hazards. The active noise cancellation mode blocks ambient sound. Use it when you don't want to be disturbed while listening to music or watching a video. The Tone-Free plug-in wireless feature lets you listen to your favorite shows, movies, and music on devices that don't have Bluetooth capabilities, like on a flight or at the gym. Now you can even host and take a conference call all without Bluetooth. When connecting to an analog device, connect the USB-C connector of the enclosed USB-C to auxiliary cable to the charging case. Connect the auxiliary connector of the cable to the desired device. When connecting to a USB audio device, connect the USB-C connector of the enclosed USB Type-C charging data cable to the charging case. Connect the USB-A connector of the cable to the desired device. Wear the earbuds. To turn on the plug-in wireless mode, slide the switch on the charging case to the right. The indicator on the charging case blinks green. When the charging case is connected to the earbuds, the indicator turns off. Once connected to an external device, you can touch the earbuds to use the function. To disconnect the external device, slide the plug-in wireless mode switch to the left. The indicator on the charging case blinks blue, and the charging case is reconnected to the device that was connected before the external device. When charging the device via wire, connect the charging cable to the charging case with the earbuds attached. When charging the device wirelessly, place the charging case at the center above the wireless charger. while charging. The battery status indicator will turn red. When charging is complete, the indicator will turn green. If you charge the device with the earbuds docked and charging case closed, UV Nano LED will be activated for 10 minutes. Please search LG Tone Free in Google Play or App Store and install the app. You can also scan the QR code in the user manual to install the app. With the app, you can use various functions, including equalizer settings, multiple connections, and Find My Earbuds.